Arcade Hotel is a 3-star business resort situated at Bolgatanga, which is in the Upper East region. We are one of the most luxurious properties in Upper East region, I will say in the northern region, with 62 guest rooms with various categories. We have various services to offer, including conference and wedding facilities, events facilities. Then we have the most modern gym in whole northern zone. We are the only hotel having AstroTurf football pitch. I think we are also the only hotel having a tennis court in the hotel. When I talk about the categories of rooms, we have from standard room to executive suites. We have standard rooms, then we have executive standard rooms. We have deluxe rooms, twin rooms where 2 people can stay there with 2 different beds. Then we have junior suites and executive suites. The special thing about deluxe rooms, like we have 4 deluxe rooms with jacuzzi. It's one of the best place or best rooms to come for your honeymoon. We have a global cuisine restaurant which is called Bongo Restaurant, which also serve of course African, continental, Asian cuisines. We have a bar called Ikini Bar. So Arcade is wholly Ghanaian owned company. We have been operating for 3.5 years. The biggest selling proposition from Arcade is the service standard. We are one of the best service providers in terms of hospitality in the northern Ghana. Currently, Arcade is operating only in Bolgatanga, but in near future, probably next year, we are planning to expand our business, our Arcade Hotel to Tamale. We are looking at enhancing our relationship with GIPC, which is definitely going to help us to set up our business more comfortably, especially when importing different equipments and things from various countries. I'm sure we'll be getting lots of rebates and in terms of taxes. Arcade, we believe on standard and quality things. So some of the things we definitely have to import from different other countries. There are lots of healthy competition, but also the support of various government organizations, we are being able to come up to this level. When we started Arcade, starting from the construction till the operation now, we have been recruiting various people. It's more than 200 plus people have been recruited by Arcade since we started. We are also helping the local communities to grow in their businesses, especially all the suppliers whom we use. 90% of the suppliers are from the local area, especially the farmers. We buy fresh vegetables and other groceries also buy from the locally. We are also helping the lodges and hotels around, because whenever any big crowd comes to Arcade, which we cannot accommodate, we always advise them to go to those hotels and lodges. And also we advise them to try different local foods around. And we also invite local people to do various events at the hotel when we have big groups coming in, like especially the cultural programs we do. It's also kind of a creating job for them. Arcade is dreaming to leave a legacy of showing Ghanaian hospitality to the world. So anybody comes to Northern Zone, anybody coming to Arcade must experience how Ghanaian hospitality is. Ghana is a very healthy and politically stable country to come and invest and set up a new business here, whether it's a foreign investor or a Ghanaian investor. So in that view, I want to encourage all international and Ghanaian investors to come and invest here to grow in Ghana and grow with Ghana.